Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna talk about one of the best AI-powered study tools of 2025. It's called Recall AI, and it's built to help you turn online content into instant study notes and flashcards. Here's how it works. With Recall AI, you can take any YouTube video, podcast, article, or PDF, and the application automatically generates concise notes, summaries, and flashcards. No more pausing every few seconds to take notes manually. It's perfect for students, self-learners, or anyone consuming a lot of digital content. The flashcards are generated with spaced repetition, so you'll remember key concepts over time, not just the day before the test. You can also highlight key ideas, ask questions about the material, and even quiz yourself. Using the flashcards, Recall creates from your uploaded content. It's like having a study assistant that works 24/7. Plus, the interface is clean, intuitive, and mobile-friendly. Great for learning on the go, whether you're prepping for exams, upskilling, or just learning for fun. Recall AI helps you turn passive watching or reading into active learning, faster and smarter. Try it out now and supercharge your study sessions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite study tools below. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.